Now we are going to discuss very important question from human capital formation. The first question is, human capital is related to which 5-year plan? So human capital is related to 7th 5-year plan. Human capital is related to 7th 5-year plan. Question second, full form of UGC. The full form of UGC is University Grant Commission. The full form of UGC, University Grant Commission. Question 3, full form of NCERT. The full form is National Council for Education and Research and Training. What is the full form of NCERT? National Council for Education, Research and Training. Full form of AICTE. All India Council for Technical Education. What is the full form of AICTE? All India Council for Technical Education. Literacy rate according to the census of 2011-12, it is 74.04%. Full form of ICMR, Indian Council for Medical Research. What is the full form of ICMR? Indian Council for Medical Research. Question next, which institution comes under health sector? So the answer ICMR, Indian Council for Medical Research. Right to Education Act. So it was Act of 2009. Question next, National Literacy Mission was launched to promote adult and female education. Question 10th, central government launched a plan to vocationalize secondary school. So it was launched in 1988. How much India spend on education? So it's nearly 4%. Generally it's between 3% to 4%. Question 12, which education takes a major share of total education expenditure? It's a very important question कि किस एजुकेशन सेक्टर में सबसे ज़्यादा खर्चा किया जाता है. सो द आंसर विल बी elementary education. Question 13, which education take a least share of total education? It means सबसे कम खर्चा किस एजुकेशन में किया जाता है. तो सबसे कम खर्चा किया जाता है वो किया जाता है टर्सरी एजुकेशन. लाइक इन कॉलेजेस एटसेट्रा. तो जो सबसे ज़्यादा गवर्नमेंट खर्चा करती है वो करती है एलिमेंट्री एजुकेशन पे. जो सबसे कम खर्चा करती है वो करती है हमारे टर्सरी एजुकेशन पे, कॉलेजेस पे. Question 14, Elementary education covers, so elementary education covers primary and middle schools. Elementary education cover primary and middle school. Question 15. To measure source of human capital, the first is expenditure on education, and the second is expenditure on health. Question 16, it's a very important question. In which state the per capita expenditure on elementary education is highest? So highest in Himachal Pradesh, and the lowest per capita expenditure on elementary education in Bihar. In Himachal, the per capita expenditure on elementary education is rupees 34,651, and in Bihar 4,088 rupees. Question 18. What is the reason for rural urban migration in India? So the main reason is unemployment. Question 19. What was the aim of Navodaya Vidyalaya? So the aim was providing boarding facility and modern education. The aim was providing boarding facility and modern education, and it was launched in 1987 88. Question 20, again very important question. Write the three main programs adopted by government to improve elementary education. So the first is RTE, Right to Education. Second is Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan. And the third is midday meal. So there are three programs adopted by government to improve elementary education. The first is Right to Education, second Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan, and third midday meal. Thank you.